In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to open up a folder within VLC Media Player. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the Media tab up at the top left, and select where it says Open Folder. You can also tap the Control and F key on your keyboard to open up that shortcut. Locate whatever folder you want to add to the VLC Media Player interface here. Select it, and then select the Select Folder button, and then it should add it to your playlist. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.